Okay children, let us take the verbal problem here. A boat goes 30 km upstream and 44 km downstream in 10 hours, and in 13 hours it can go 40 km upstream and 55 km downstream. Determine the speed of boat and stream in still water. So let us take speed of boat in as x km per hour and speed of stream as y km per hour. If it is upstream, if it is the upstream, then speed becomes if it is upstream, then speed becomes, we have to subtract the speed of water in boat, because it is moving opposite to the direction of flow of water. So when it is upstream, then speed becomes x minus y kilometer per hour, that is speed of the boat becomes x minus y kilometer per hour. When it is a downstream when it is a downstream, then speed becomes sum of both speed of water and speed of boat together, it becomes x plus y kilometer per hour. Here there are two cases. Let us take the case number 1, first one, that is in case number 1, here we are having a 2 times, that is, let us consider the upstream. Upstream means speed in upstream is x minus y kilometer per hour, and time we have to calculate this one, and distance upstream 30 kilometer. The distance taken in upstream in the first case is 30 kilometer. So time t1 is equals to distance divided by time taken, that is 30 divided by x minus y, 30 divided by x minus y. In the first case, the second step is downstream. In downstream, speed is equals to x plus y kilometer per hour, and time we have to calculate, this is t2, and distance covered in the first case when it is a downstream, it is a 44 kilometer. So t2 is equals to 44 divided by x plus y, children. T2 is equals to x plus y. The sum of these two times is, that is t1 plus t2. Together it has taken 10 hours. So t1 is 30 by x minus y plus T2 is 44 divided by x plus y is equals to 10 hours. So we have to reduce this one to the equation of the standard form. So reduce that one. X minus 1 divided by x minus y is equals to p, and 1 divided by x plus y is equals to q. Here I will take this one. So 1 divided by x minus y is equals to p, it becomes 30p plus 1 divided by x plus y is equals to q, it becomes 44q is equals to 10 hours. So this is the equation number 1 according to the statement. In the same way, in case 2, now let us go for the case 2. In case 2, let us take what is given here in case 2, upstream. Upstream means speed is what? X minus y kilometer per hour, and time is, we have to calculate this one, and the distance in upstream is 40 kilometer. Distance in upstream is 40 kilometer. So t1 is equals to, that is 40 divided by x minus y. 40 divided by x minus y. In the same way, in second case number 2, that is when it is downstream. Downstream means it is taken, when it is the downstream, speed is x plus y kilometer per hour, x plus y kilometer per hour downstream. So distance is 55 kilometer. And T2, we need to calculate this one. T2 is equals to what? So let us calculate this one. So T2 is equals to 55 distance divided by speed, that is 55 divided by x plus y. So sum of these two times is 13 hours, that is T1 plus T2 is equals to 13 hours. So T1 is what here, 40 divided by x minus y plus, and T2 is what, 55 divided by x plus y is equals to, together these two is 13 hours. So again we have considered here 1 by x minus y is equals to p, so it becomes a 40p plus here it becomes 55q. 55q is equals to 13. So this is equation number 2, childrens. You can solve these two equations equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. You can solve these two equations simultaneously, or by elimination method, or by substitution method, or by cross multiplication method. Here I will solve these two equations simultaneously, that is by elimination method. So the first equation is 30p plus 44q is equals to 10, and second equation is 40p plus 55q is equals to 13. So I will multiply the first equation by 4 and second equation by 3. Second equation by 3. So it becomes 4 3s are 120. So 12, 30 4s are 120. It becomes 120p plus 44 4s are 16, 1 is the carry, 176q is equals to 40. And here second equation becomes 120p plus 5 5s are 5 3s are 15, 1 is the carry, 15 1 16, 165q is equals to 39. So let us solve these two equations simultaneously. If we solve these two simultaneously, we have to change the sign. Here it becomes minus, here it becomes minus 39. So 120p get cancels. So here what we are going to get 165 minus 176 minus 165. So here we are going to get 1, here it is 1 0. So 11q is equals to 40 minus 39, it is 1. So q is equals to 1 divided by 11. Q is equals to 1 divided by 11, and to calculate p, substitute this value in any one of the equation, you will get the value of p. Let us substitute this one in one first equation, that is 30p plus 44q is equals to 10. So value of q is 1 by 11. 30p plus 44 into 1 by 11 is equals to 10. 11 ones are 11 4s are. So 30p is equals to 10 minus 4. So 30p is equals to 6. So p is equals to 6 divided by 30. 6 ones are 6 5s are. So p is equals to 1 by 5. P is equals to 1 by 5. Here we have taken p has 1 by x minus y and q has 1 by x plus y. So to calculate x and y, here we have to substitute those values in the given equation, children. Let us substitute. So p is what here? P we have taken 1 by x minus y. 1 by x minus y is equals to 1 by 5. So this implies x minus y is equals to 5. X minus y is equals to 5. In the same way, here q is 1 by 11. What we have taken here? Q 1 by x plus y. 1 by x plus y is equals to 1 by 11. So this implies x plus y is equals to 11. To get the values of x and y, here we have to solve these two equations again simultaneously, that is this equation and this equation. Here x, and to solve for x and y, here let us solve this for x and y. If I solve it for x and y, here I will rub this one and then I will solve it. So x minus y is equals to 5, x plus y is equals to 11. So if we simplify these two, x get to y get cancels, 2x is equals to 16. So x is equals to 8. X is equals to 8, and to calculate y, x minus y is equals to 5. Here x is 8, 8 minus y is equals to 5. So 8 minus 5 is equals to y. So 3 is equals to y. 3 is equals to y. So speed of boat as x kilometers. So the speed of boat is 8 km per hour. Speed of boat is 8 km per hour, and speed of still water is 3 km per hour, children's. 3 km per hour. So in this way we can find the solution of the given pair of linear equations in two variables.